All right, you guys, we are on location again. We are in beautiful South Lake Tahoe, and we are at their national forest. It is actually very peaceful and beautiful out here. We attempted to go to Emerald Bay, and it's a hike down, and you can see the waterfall. It's beautiful, but it is a tourist trap, meaning that there is almost non-existent parking in the parking lot. They do have holds about 10 cars, and all up inside, all up and down the side of the expressway. Well, the curve of the mountain is cars, 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 and tow signs everywhere. So we didn't get a chance to stop. I don't know if that's something we're going to be able to do while we're in the area, but it is definitely full. So we came down to Taylor Creek, the visitor center, just to kind of see what's in the area and what's to do. One thing I could tell you is a lot of bears around here. It was even bears in our campground site where they just walk right up to the door of our camper and then around and then out. So, yeah. So right now, we're here in the visitor center, and we're just going to probably walk down to the water and see whatever views we can see there. And it's busy here too, so we don't want to be in other people's way. And yeah, lots of bears. Apparently they're getting ready for winter, so they are out foraging and looking for food and doing bear things, which makes it tough because we have Noodle, right? So I'm going to go into the visitor center, see what else they have around here. Maybe we can get some pictures in, get you guys some sights. I'm going to show you the view that I see right now. It is absolutely amazing, and I think you would love it. Okay, you guys, we were going to go in here and find out some information, but guess what? They are closed due to low staffing. This sucks. So, yes, there you go. So we still can't find out any information, but they do have a map here. We're going to try to find a better one. So they have trails. I don't know how far the trails go down before you hit water. I don't know anything because you can't ask anybody anything. Okay, so it says absolutely no food with you. Bears are active. So that sucks. So it says we are here. There's a trail. I have no clue where we're headed. The visitor center's closed. So we could just start walking. There's Noodle and Cedric. All right, so this is the Rainbow Trail. So here we are. I guess it starts here, come on around, and then back up. So we'll see. Okay, so we were gonna take the Rainbow Trail. We got the map, and then we had some people come out and say they saw a bear back there and some coyotes. So that will not work for Noodle. Even with his book bag, we don't want him to look like a snack for somebody. So we're going to keep going to see what we could do. This area is not really dog friendly, and that's the biggest concern for us. We don't want to put little Noodle Doodle in jeopardy. So it says this area to the beach, but we really don't want to take the chance if he's gonna, because he's so little. So we're going to keep looking. We managed to find a pet-friendly beach with a nice little nature walk we'll take you on. Cedric's getting Noodle ready in his bag because we just want to be cautious. There he is. He's Noodle Doodle. So it's just a beach, but we're just going to enjoy the walk to the water. See this down here? So this video will probably be relatively short. Just kind of showing you what's in the area. Taking you along, let you see what we see. So, but it definitely is a beautiful day. The sun is out. It's gorgeous. it's just hard being in these heavily wooded areas. He's so crazy. And so we want to make sure that we came with the dog, we leave with the dog.
Fight by my noodle.
So
Bears, coyotes.
hopefully none of the above will be a problem.
Nah, I actually took a walk back here and looked before. We actually are taking this walk, guys. And it's a pretty straightforward thing. It's a lot of dogs back here. It's a beach. It's a park for the dogs on the beach.
Yay!
So it's gonna be great.
So we're excited about that. So we're gonna let you see some of the views. Turn this camera around. Hopefully maybe we'll be able to get a hike in soon. I don't know. So here we go. Having a little bit of trouble finding stuff to do with the bears being out and about and coyotes and having a little small dog. The beach we're walking to now is a great beach for pets. And as you will see soon, there are lots of dogs on this beach. So if you're traveling with a small pet and looking for something to do and you don't want to take them in danger on a hike, this will be great. Okay, you guys, we are at the park. Well, the water. So you got multiple trails here. And this is the name of it. Oh, you're fine. Okay. I'm pointing to the sign. You're good. No, you can't run it. All right, and then here's a view. Walking down towards the water. It's an interesting tree ahead of us, that's for sure. And the view is amazing. Look like it has a little trail that goes parallel to the water too. Right down there. Let's see what we got here. Boy, look at that tree. That is so cool. People are trying to get some pictures. When they're done, then we'll go down and take a look.
Okay, guys, so I guess I'll take over the video for a slight second and share with you guys some of these beautiful views. But more amazingly, look at this tree trunk. This thing is super duper cool. And when I say super duper, I mean super duper. I've never seen tree roots out of the ground like this. Water is amazing. Has a beach side, guys. Has a park for the doggies. You can paddleboard out there. And we actually drove up the side of the mountain right here, guys. But of course, everything over there is closed. This is so freaking awesome. Miss Erikavisionyt. Discovering Erika here. Just trying to get that perfect shot. Show you guys this side of it. That is really, really cool. And not only that, is that it's just laying here. Look how far it goes up, guys. This was a really, really, really tall tree. Not only that, I'm sure you guys heard Erika say in the video earlier that they were really huge. I don't think the camera is really doing justice for how huge this tree is, but wow. That's all I can say about that one. She's a biggin'.
Yeah, let Noodle doodle out. All right, Noodle getting his freedom, his walking papers. We'll let him stretch his little legs. And we're gonna go to the other side of the beach. It's in the front zip part of his bag. Nice. All right. So we have not yet made it over to the other side of the beach. So that's where we're headed now. Got some great spaces here. Finally, we found a place we can walk. We'll probably try to take a hike soon, but I don't know. But these areas, you just want to be cautious. And I see other dogs, so. But still, you want to be cautious. So here we are taking the walk down to the beach. And this is where people are. And other little doggies. Wow, look at that. Everybody's out spending the day, enjoying themselves. How cool. That's what I would like. I'd like to have a boat or a little kayak or something, paddleboard, where we can enjoy being outside, get noodle doodle a little life jacket, really enjoy ourselves. Little wet doggies, they having fun. And then the view, you guys. You cannot beat that. Look at that. So it has some water over here, which I'm sure they want you to stay out of. And people just enjoying it and just look as you could walk along the beach further down, which we're probably not going to do because this sand is so soft. All right, you guys, here's your panoramic view. Okay, you guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscription button and that notification bell. You never know where we might end up. Today, we're at South Lake Tahoe. Now, how do I feel about this area? I think it's beautiful in its own right, but I've seen so much more beautiful places. But that lake is awesome. It's awesome. It's very touristy. Lots and lots of people out. But the view is, you can't beat it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And people are enjoying the day. So, yeah. I don't know what else we're going to get into. Our choices are limited because of the animals and whatnot. But the views are endless. So I hope you're enjoying our trip back. So let's go find Cedric, because like normal, he runs off and he gets lost. And then I have to go find him. So business as usual. All right, you guys, let's keep going. Little Noodle Doodle is like his parents. He has never met a stranger. He done met about 3 or 4 puppy friends over here. He enjoying his little self. All right. Now we're going to take the trail back, and I want you to see it. You guys, it's such a beautiful day. It really is. All this driftwood everywhere. Just a great day. Nice day to get out and take a walk. You guys, thank you for following our journey. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell, and we will see you in the next walking video. Don't know what we're going to do next, but we want you to go along with us, so please make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.